Whoa! We are getting into the Dream Builder at the Scienceworld. So we are going in and I'm just gonna show you guys the best part. It looks so fun, especially the kids. They're gonna love it here. They also have like really amazing exhibitions. Whoa! What is that? Bring her with you? Universe. You can make your own universe. So it's like you can change the mood. It turns into different ones. And then click this. Try it, hon. Change the weather a bit. Like make it rainy. Lauren. Turns it into a night settings. Wow! She's so cute. Look at her running around. Where's the bunny? Where's the bunny? She's so happy. the doubt. Let's give her a benefit of the doubt. Nina, hi baby. Bye bye. Lihat. Oh, two rascals. Look at you two. Man, what a character. Look at her go. Just look at her go. Oh man. Oh, Nina is upstairs. Nina is already gone. Where are you? Where are you? She did well. She did really well. At least he got it. They understand it now. There you go. Why can't I go? Whoa. So fun. It's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now.
Mana like
Wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't. But you're not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
go up and down. Whoa! Let's see if my kid can do this. Let's see if she can do this. Oh, too difficult for you? One by one. 1, 2, 3. She's struggling, right? Wow, this is pretty rad, if you ask me. T-Rex.